can do something to Remus. Remus, come here. Good boy. Good boy. Good. Good boy. Good. Let's see what he's doing. Oh, good boy, Merlot. Good boy, Merlot. Okay, so this is left front stand, yeah? Good. This is left back stand. Good. This is left front pick up. Here, good. Very good. That's right. Good boy. Very good boy. Oh, there's somebody coming up the right way. Okay, this is right front stand. You good. This is right back stand. You good. Oh, you got a wound there. That's a wound. Oh, and looks like it's bruised there on that there. That's all. Good. You do left front pick up. You do good. Very good boy. Very good boy. Very good boy. You do right back pick up. Oh, gently. Good boy, that's snatching. Good boy. And can you stand? Can you stand on it? That's resting. That's resting. That's stand. Good boy. Can you stand? You good. So you're too desperate to pick up that back one now. Oh, there's something happening over there which is more interesting. Good boy, stand. Now let's pick up. Can you stand? Let's pick up. Can you stand? Good. That's resting. There's three options, isn't there? There's left front stand. Good. Right front standing. See, I can't do my left and right. This is left back stand. And we go left back pick up. Left back pick up. Good. That was a lovely one. That was a really good one. That was a really good one. And left front stand. You're good. Left front stand. You're good. Excellent. Excellent. And right back stand. You're good. Right back stand. Oh, that's a really big bump you got on your leg there. That's another one. Right back stand. Good. Can we have right back pick up? That's left back pick up. We have right back pick up. Right back pick up. You good. That was better. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Stay with me.